Next topic, oscillation in AC circuit. First subheading, energy conversion during LC oscillations. During energy oscillations, inductor capacitor oscillation. We have learned that energy can be stored in both inductor and capacitor. In inductor, as energy is stored in the form of magnetic field, while in the capacitor, it is stored as electric field. Whenever the energy is given, the circuit contains a pure inductor in inductance L. A capacitor of capacitance C. The energy oscillated back and forth between magnetic field of the inductor and the electric field of the capacitor. Thus, the electrical oscillation of define a frequency and generator. These oscillations are called LC oscillation. This LC oscillation, generations of LC oscillations, inductor capacitor oscillation. Let us assume that the capacitor is fully charged. This capacitor is fully charged with a maximum charge Qm at initial stage of this circuit, so that the energy stored in the capacitor is maximum, and it is given by UE is equal Qm square divided by 2C. Assume as the no current in inductor. The inductor is a no current produces. The energy stored in it is 0. The magnetic field UB is equal to 0. Therefore, the total energy is wholly electrical only. This is a diagram, this one. The capacitor now behind the discharge through the current through the inductor of the established current I. The clockwise direction, this is a current produce of magnetic field around the inductor, and the energy stored in the inductor is given by UB is equal Li square divided by 2. As the energy is a capacitor decreases, the energy stored in the also decreases given by charge. UE is equal Q squared by 2C. The maximum charges, normal charges. Q is equal, UE is equal Q squared by 2C. Thus, there is a transfer of some part of energy from the capacitor to inductor. At the instant, the fraction of the second, like this, the total energy sum of electrical and magnetic energy is a produce of the magnetic energy. When the charges is the capacitors or executions, the energy becomes the 0. That is, U is equal to 0. The energy is fully transferred to the magnetic field in the inductor, and the energy is the storage. This is a maximum. This maximum energy is given by UB is equal to Li square divided by 2, where LIM, that is a maximum current IM, is current flow in the circuit. The total energy only the magnetic field this circuit. Even though for charge is a capacitance is 0, here is a capacitance is 0. The current will be continue flow in the small direction because the inductor will not allow to stop immediately. The current is made to flow which decreasing magnitude by the collapsing of magnetic field of the inductor. As a result of this one, the capacity became the charge's opposite direction. A part of the energy is transferred from the inductor back to the capacitor. The total energy is the sum of the electrical and magnetic energies. This is figure D1. When a current is the circuit, reduce the 0. Current I is equal to 0. Here, current I is equal to 0. The capacitors become fully charged in the opposite direction. The energy stored the capacitor become maximum capacitor since the current is equal to 0. The energy stored in the inductor is a 0 also. The total energy held in the electrical circuit. This is a E. The state of the current is similar to the initial stage, but the difference is that the capacitor charges opposite direction. The capacitor start to discharge through the inductor with anti-clockwise current. The total energy is the sum of the electrical and magnetic energies anti-clockwise direction. As already explained, the process of repeating the opposite direction, figure G and H. Finally, the circuit returned to the initial stage, figure A. Thus, when a circuit goes through these stages or alternating current flow the circuit. As the process is repeated again and again, the electrical oscillation of a defined frequency or generator. These are known as LC oscillation. In the ideal LC circuit, there is no loss of energy. This ideal LC circuit, there is no loss of energy. Therefore, the oscillations will continue indefinitely. Such oscillations are called undamped oscillation. Next topic, conservation of energy in LC oscillation. What is the conservation? The conservation means one form to another form. Conservation energy means one form of energy converted to another form of the energy. In LC oscillation, L means inductor, C means capacitor. Now, whenever we apply to the external energy in the AC circuit. This is one of the AC circuit connected to the capacitor and the inductor. Whenever applied to an external energy, stored to the capacitor energy. This is a stored to capacitor energy equal to equal number of the positive and negative charges. These are positive charges and negative charges values across the electric field produced. This is the electric field. Denote the value is equal to UE is equal to Q square divided by 2C. This electric energy is called electric field. Then again, this is the flowing of the charges. You converted to storage in external energy I. Here I is produced the inductor. The produced inductor magnetic field. This is stored of the fourth lesson study learned to the magnetic field. The magnetic field value is equal to UB is equal to half into Li square. This is a circuit of the conservation of energy LC oscillation. Come to the point. During LC oscillation, the LC circuit, the energy of the system oscillated between the electric field of the capacitor and the magnetic field of the inductor. Although these two forms of energy vary with the time, the total energy remains constant. It means the LC oscillations take place according with the law of the conservation of energy. The total energy given to this circuit U is equal to electric field and magnetic field. For example, electric energy capacitor produces, magnetic field produces of the inductor. UE plus UB. Now you apply to UE values and UB values. Now UE value is equal to electric field value is equal to Q square divided by 2C plus magnetic field value is equal to half into Li square. There are three important cases this ones. The first case is Q, the charge given the capacitor charge, the maximum charge Qm. The current produced here this circuit is equal to 0. The capacitor fully charges, the current I is equal to 0. The total energy U is equal to UU plus UB. Now your values of substitutions. UE value is equal to Q square divided by 2C plus half into Li square. This term is equal to 0. The remaining values total energy U is equal to Qm square divided by 2C. This is equation number 1. The second case. Now the second case is when the charge is highest charge produces the LC oscillations. This is a Q, the maximum charge is Qm. I also maximum. The reducer charge current increases. Now the Q charge is equal to Qm maximum produce of the circuit Qm cos omega t. What is the I? The small I is equal to, I already know, minus dq by dt. That is equal to d by dt is equal to values of q is equal to qm cos omega t. Now this substitution, I is equal to q minus of qm. This is a differential formula. Cos omega t is equal to minus of sin omega t with respect to omega here. I is equal to minus into minus plus qm omega. I come to the front side, omega into sin omega t. Now this is the total energy of this circuit. The second case is U is equal to UE plus UB. UE value is equal to Q square divided by 2C plus UB value is equal to half into Li square. What is it Q values? This is Q is equal to Qm cos omega t. Now you substitute the Q square, small q square, Qm square dot cos square omega t divided by 2C plus half L. What is the I square? The I value is equal to Qm omega into sin omega. Now Qm square dot omega square dot sin squared omega t. Now this is the values Qm square by 2C cos square omega t plus half L Qm square. This is the values of omega. What is the omega? Already everyone know. Omega is equal to 1 divided by root of LC. I want the value is equal to omega square. Omega square is equal to 1 by LC. Now this is the omega square value is equal to substitution. The omega square value is equal to 1 divided by LC. Sin square omega t. This is a common product. This is a LL cancels common product at Qm square by 2C. Here Qm square by 2C. The remaining value is equal to Q square omega cos squared omega t plus sin squared omega t. Cos square omega t plus sin squared omega t is equal to 1. Now remaining that is equal Qm square divided by 2C is equal into 1. That is equal to Qm square divided by 2C. The total energy Q is equal to Qm square by 2C. This is the equation number 2. The third case, see, this is a capacitor induce of the capacity, the charge of final charges. Now you induce or produces of your magnetic field. That time the Q is equal to 0. The charge Q is equal to 0. I is equal to maximum current. What is the total energy now in these cases? The total energy U is equal to same formula UU plus UB. The value is equal to U square by 2C plus half into Li square. Same the charge is Q is equal to 0. 0 by 2C plus half into L into what is the values of I? Everyone know the I is equal to small I is equal to maximum of current. The current formula is equal to I is equal to Q by T. Now, the current is equal to maximum current as a Q, charge is equal to maximum charge divided by T. Im is equal to Qm, the T value is equal to 1 by T is equal to omega K equal, time period, that is a omega. Now, 0 by 2C plus half LA, this is the I value, substitution I value is equal to Qm omega whole square. The total energy U is equal to half L, omega value, Qm is equal to omega square, half into L, come to the square, Qm square, omega square. Here also, omega value is equal to 1 by root of LC, omega square is equal to 1 by LC. Now, half LA, Qm square, omega square value is equal to 1 by LC, LL cancel, half a Qm square divided by 2C, equation number 3. From above the 3 case or equation, it is clear that the total energy of the system remaining constant.